Alright, longtime viewers. You might all recognize this car. She used to be known as Monique. Tom and George used to own her. We did a lot of work on her in the past. Myself and good old Wessie Wes. About a year ago, maybe a little bit longer than that, did change hands. Tom put her up for sale because he bought Pierre, which there's lots of videos on Pierre and lots going on with Pierre. But, yeah, so that's why the playlist has changed to Tom and George's / Grant and Jane's 69 Chrysler 300. Monique / Babs, because with the new home came a new name. She's now known as Babs. Yeah. And we will be continuing on.